Whether you're just starting affiliate marketing or just want to learn more about it, it's important to have the right affiliate marketing programs, because if you don't, you won't make much money, if any at all. So in this video, let's go over my top 8 affiliate programs for beginners. So let's get straight into it. Okay, and the first one you may have heard of already, but I have to include it because it's probably the best affiliate programs for beginners, and that is Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is obviously Amazon's affiliate program. It's easy to sign up for. All you got to do is come over to AmazonAssociates.com, sign up, recommend, and earn. That's how easy it is to start with this program, and they accept pretty much everyone. And once you sign up, you're going to see this bar across your screen now, and this bar allows you to get the links for your product so you can start earning and the images. So let's type in a product. Let's go by keyboard. Okay, and let's just click on the keyboard. Once you click on this keyboard, you're going to see this pop up now. It's going to be text plus image. And so once you get this text now, just hit text, and now you can just copy it. And once you copy it, you can put this link anywhere. And this works for all the products on Amazon.com now. Whether you're in the tech niche or the car niche, you can get any product link. And so you can put it on your blog, you can put it on your social media, wherever you need to put it at, you can now. Okay, and our next affiliate program is going to be Walmart Affiliates, which is another top affiliate program that's similar to Amazon's affiliate program. To sign up for it, just come over to WalmartAffiliateProgram.com. You can easily sign up. They have an amazing affiliate program as well. And once you sign up, you can promote all their products too. Once you sign up, you can get any product, and I mean any product from Walmart. It can be the dog food or clothing, it can be vacuum. So even the food on here. So whatever you want to sell, you can definitely sell it once you sign up for it. Okay, and our third affiliate program is going to be Canva.com. If you know what Canva is, you already know how amazing Canva is, and I'm pretty sure any graphics designer, anyone that's on social media, or even just the entrepreneur online knows about Canva, which makes it a very popular and a great affiliate program to start off with. You can earn up to $36 with each Canva Pro subscriber that sign up with your link. And this right here is Canva, and it has a lot of different things you can do with it. As you can see, docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, print products, and web. You can create a website. So you can come up here, create any design that you want, a YouTube thumbnail, Facebook post, Pinterest pin, Instagram story. So it basically works for any social media. So this is great to advertise to, people that's in anywhere on the online space, whether they're creating a website or just need something to make their Instagram posts or stories pop out. Okay, and the fourth affiliate program is going to be CJ Affiliate, which is amazing, and I mean amazing affiliate program for beginners. As you can see, they do some pretty big numbers: 1 billion plus global customers, 14 billion plus annually, $16 billion plus annually, which is a lot of money. So you can see they do big numbers, and it's easy to sign up. Just come over to cjaffiliate.com, hit sign up, and once you sign up, you'll be able to apply to all of the different brands that they work with. So it's different brands on here, and you just click on them and you can apply to their program and work with them. As you can see, they have a lot of brands on here from a lot of different categories. So when you sign up for one, let's say you sign up for 4 wheels parts because you're in the car niche and you wanted to promote this, then you definitely can, and they have a lot of products that you can promote on their website. So this is basically CJ Affiliate. They just work with a lot of brands that you can apply for and work with. So it's great for beginners that be in different niches. Okay, and the fifth affiliate program is one of my favorites, and that's Impact.com. Impact.com working with some big names. Like, they even have Canva on here, which we just talked about. As you can see, they're trusted by a lot of big companies too, like BuzzFeed, Shopify, Uber. They even have Walmart on here as well. So yeah, you already can tell they have a lot of big names on here that you can work with. And so you can partner with brands like Adidas, Allstate, Lenovo, StockX, and here's some more. So it's a lot of big name brands on here. That's why I like Impact, because they're well known. So once you work with well known brands and can promote them, the people that you're promoting them to are going to be more likely to buy, which pushes up your commission rate because they know these brands. They can trust these brands already when you send them over to their website. So this just works out great for you. Okay, and our next affiliate program, it's a little harder than the rest to promote, but it's still easy to sign up for, and that's going to be NameHero.com. And the reason that it's harder to promote is because it's a web hosting service, so not as many people will know about it, and it's a more targeted niche. But let's go down and see how much you can earn. You can earn up to $50 per sale for if you just get 1 to 5 sales per month. Then it goes up to 6 to 10, $75 a sale, 11 to 20, $100 a sale, and then 20 if you're getting 21 plus sales per month, you can earn $125 per sale. So you can see just with 21 people, you can be earning over $2,000 per month, which is a crazy amount of earnings when you think about it. So this is why I had to include this one for beginners, because they accept a lot of people. And on top of this, if you can find the right audience, you see you can earn a lot of money with it. But you know, unlike Amazon and Walmart, people don't know about web hosting or need this as much. So this is more towards the medium difficulty. And another web hosting service that's similar to Name Hero is SiteGround. I use both of these web hosting services, so they're amazing web hosting services that you will be promoting, but they have basically the same commissions. You know, 1 to 5 is 50, then a 6 to 10, 11, 20 is 100, and then 21 plus is custom commission. So it's basically the same. So you can promote either one of these, and they accept most people as well. So for both of them, just go to namehero.com/affiliate or siteground.com/affiliate to sign up for them. All right, and our 7th affiliate program is going to be Best Buy. I'm pretty sure you've heard of Best Buy. They're definitely a great brand to work with. It's easy to sign up. It's easy steps as well. You earn money, partner with a trusted brand. They definitely are trusted, and of course joining is free and easy. And once you do join, you can easily promote any product on their website. I get a lot of my products from Best Buy, so Best Buy definitely have a lot of products, basically all in the tech niche, or even just, you know, appliances. So it's definitely a lot of people that you can promote to once you go with Best Buy. And to sign up, all you got to do is just come over to bestbuy.com/affiliate program, and it'll come straight up for you. Okay, and our last affiliate program is going to be a little different, but I just wanted to show you this. And this is just by searching it up in Google. You can pretty much work with any brand that you want, or see if they have an affiliate program, which 80% of brands do, and 99.9% of the big brands have one. So all you have to do is just, let's say you wanted to work with Target. Target is huge where I'm at. I don't know if it is where you at, but let's say you wanted to go with a Target affiliate program. Search that up, and as you can see, Earn with Target Partners, they definitely have an affiliate program. Or let's say you wanted to work with like Alienware. If you know what Alienware is, they're a computer brand basically, and sell a lot of computer brand stuff. And as you can see down here, they have Alienware affiliate program. So like I said, you can work with pretty much any brand that you want. All you have to do is just come over to Google and just type in whatever the brand name is, followed by affiliate program. And then if they have an affiliate program, it will come up for you. So if you have a certain brand that you like or just want to work with, then this makes it way easier just to see if they have an affiliate program so you can promote their products. All right, now right there was my top 8 affiliate programs that you can start working with. And a quick tip for affiliate programs: you can sign up to all of them. There's no limit to how many affiliate programs you can sign up for. They're all free to join. Let's say you sign up to Amazon and Walmart and Best Buy, and then search up one that you want to work with and sign up for all of them. You're not going to get a denial screen saying you sign up for too many, because you can sign up for, like I said, all of them. So just make sure once you sign up for them, you have your niche, because once you have a niche, you already know what products you need to sell, because affiliate programs are the backbone when it comes to sales. Because if you have an audience but no affiliate program, what products are you going to promote? So just make sure you're promoting the right products to your audience and have the proper affiliate programs for them as well. And I hope you've seen at least one affiliate program you will want to work with in this video, and I hope this helped you as well. I wish you good luck in your affiliate marketing journey. Until next time.